morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll just show you how to make a simple upma, that is uppit. This is specially for the beginners. See, for upma you need rava. Here, this is the rava. Okay, you get 2 to 3 types of rava, but you have to ask for upma rava. Otherwise, sometimes you will get rava to make idli also. That will be rice rava. This is wheat rava. So always ask for upma rava. Today I have taken local rava. You get local rava, bansi rava, chiroti rava. You can make it in anything. Upma can be made in any of these ravas. Okay, I have taken 1 cup. You have to measure. See, this cup 3 to 4 people can easily eat. So if you are a single person, then just take 1 full fist of rava. Okay, that will be sufficient. And you can use any vegetables, but today since I am making simple upma, I have just taken equal cup of onion. Okay, then you need red chilies, whole red chilies. If you don't have red chili, you can always add green chili. Okay, then for tempering you need mustard seeds, then chana dal. If you don't have chana dal, do not worry, you need not add. You curry leaves for both health and for the aroma and for look. Okay, curry leaves, and if you have coriander leaves, you can add coriander leaves. Now what you should do is, you have to keep a pan. Okay, the stove is on. You have to dry fry it till pink. Okay, just don't leave it. You have to keep on frying like this. Otherwise what happens, the rava at the bottom turns black and the top one just stays as it is. Okay, so you have to keep on frying like this. I'll come back to you. Here, it has turned pink. I'll put off the flame. Now transfer this to a plate. Now you need to put about 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Actually, upma always takes more oil than usual. Okay, because only if there's proper oil, upma can taste good. So I've taken 3 spoons of oil. Now let me put on the stove. Add mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Now add the chana dal. I told you this is optional. If you don't have, do not worry. Now let this turn pink. Before you add anything, the chana dal should turn pink. Otherwise, it will remain raw. Yes. Now add the red chili and the curry leaf. Now add the onion. Okay, you need not add salt now. Okay, once this is done, then when we add water, we can always put. If you have taken 1 cup of rava, you need 2 cups of water. Okay, remember 2 cups of water. But if you want a little soggy upma, then you can always add 2.5 cups. Okay, now just allow this to cook. It should not turn brown or transparent. It should be just cooked. Okay, so let me keep it covered. Now let's check whether it has been done. Yes. So I have washed and kept coriander leaves. Let me just put it. Now I told you we need to add 2 cups of water. In the same cup I had taken rava. See, the onion has just cooked. It has not turned pink. Okay, now what you should do is, you have to add salt, the required salt. If you are a beginner, you may not know how much to put. So always first put less salt, okay? Then you can taste the water. Now after putting, just stir it and taste the water, okay? If you think the salt is less, then you can always add. Now add just a spoon of sugar. This is to enhance the taste, okay? Now squeezing lemon juice is again optional. If you want and if you have, you can always squeeze the lemon juice, about half a lemon. Otherwise you can just leave it, okay? Now stir it. Now what you should do is, you have to allow this water to boil. It should boil well, okay? Then we can add the rava. So what you do is just taste the water. If you think the salt is too much, then you can't help. Or that is why I always tell you, add little salt in the beginning. Then if you think it is less, you can always add, okay? Now let us allow this to boil. See, this spatula I had taken for frying the rava. Now I will be taking this, because this will be easy to stir it. Now the water is boiling. Now add the rava slowly, and from the other hand keep stirring like this. See, if you do not fry the rava, what happens? The upma, not only does not taste good, but then it will be very soggy, the sticky, I can say. So always fry the rava. And sometimes when you are very busy, you need to go out and you have hardly any time left and you want to eat. So this is the best option. You need not add onion or or the curry leaves. You can just follow the other method, the same process other than these, and make a upma. But always try to eat vegetables as much as possible. Now allow this to cook for about few seconds. I'll come back to you. You have to keep on stirring, okay? Here, this is 5 minutes of cooking. Now let's just put off the flame here, and then I will put it in a serving bowl and show you. Here, the humble, simple upma is ready. Trust me, beginners, please follow the process properly. This is very easy to make, and will be very tasty and good for health. Instead of starving and eating something in a hotel, this is always better, okay? Always follow my link in YouTube channel. This is in the name of Indira Shah, okay? So please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, because I want all of you to cook your own food and learn cooking. Knowing cooking is an asset these days. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, press the like button. Then again, I request you to share it with your friends and ask them to subscribe. Thank you very much. This is signing off, Indira Shah signing off with Vela. Bye-bye.